In this video, we're going to be installing Anaconda in macOS Big Sur. To start, I'm going to navigate to anaconda.com, and when the page loads, depending on the size of your screen, you may have a menu bar at the top or a small menu icon on the top right corner. In either case, I'm going to go to Products and then select Individual Edition. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on the Download from macOS link here. I'm going to say Allow to allow the download. And once the download completes, I'm going to open the installer. And when prompted here, I'm going to click Allow to allow the installer to run. Then in the installer itself, I'm going to click Continue. I'll click Continue again. On the license page, I'm going to click Continue. Then I'm going to agree to the license agreement. In my case, I want to install the software only for my current user, so I'm going to click Install for me only. And then I'm going to click Continue. And now I'm going to click Install. This will start the installation. And when the installation completes, I'm then going to click Continue again. And on this final page, they actually give us links to a tutorial and some other documentation. If you are interested in those, feel free to click those links and then bookmark them. But for now, I'm simply going to click Close. And then as I do not wish to keep the installer, I'm going to move it to trash. Now that Anaconda is installed, I'm going to go to Applications. I'm going to select the Anaconda Navigator. This will open up the Navigator. And you'll see that we have several applications installed already, including Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. And if we scroll to the bottom, you'll see there are several additional applications that aren't installed, but can easily be installed via the Install button, including RStudio. In any case, Anaconda is now installed and ready for use.